Imagine a world where your ideas turn into reality with just a few clicks. A world where technology works alongside you, making everything faster, smarter, and more efficient. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, thanks to artificial intelligence. From automating video edits to revolutionizing online businesses, AI is changing the game. And to keep you updated on all these exciting advancements, welcome to Think AI, your ultimate guide to the boundless potential of AI. Segment number 1. AI in video editing. First, 1. Historical perspective. Video editing used to be a tedious and time-consuming task. Editors spent countless hours manually adjusting footage, ensuring transitions were smooth, and applying effects. It often required a team of professionals and extensive resources. But today, AI tools have transformed the process completely. With the advent of AI-driven editing software, even beginners can create stunning videos with minimal effort. Tasks that once took hours or even days can now be completed within minutes. Second one, key benefits. With AI-powered software, you can automate tasks like color correction, motion tracking, and even generate subtitles automatically. These tools not only save time, but also ensure consistent quality. For instance, AI algorithms analyze lighting and color patterns to suggest optimal adjustments, making videos look professional without requiring advanced editing skills. Moreover, features like scene detection and facial recognition add an extra layer of precision, allowing editors to focus on creativity rather than repetitive tasks. Third one, real-life example. Imagine editing a YouTube video in half the time without compromising quality. That's the power of AI. For instance, content creators now use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features to enhance videos effortlessly. Whether it's adding captions, enhancing audio, or synchronizing clips, AI simplifies every step of the process. This is especially useful for YouTubers and marketers aiming to produce high-quality content quickly to engage their audience. Mini call to action. Want to learn more tips and tricks for video editing with AI? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Think AI. Segment number 2. AI in e-commerce. First one, AI's role in e-commerce. AI is the backbone of modern e-commerce, helping businesses analyze customer behavior, personalize recommendations, and even manage inventory. It allows businesses to predict trends, optimize pricing, and ensure products are always available to meet customer demand. AI doesn't just improve efficiency, it also creates a seamless shopping experience, making it easier for consumers to find what they're looking for. Second one, real-world application. Have you noticed how platforms like Amazon recommend products you're likely to buy? That's AI at work, boosting sales and enhancing your shopping experience. AI algorithms analyze your browsing and purchasing history to suggest relevant products. This personalization not only increases customer satisfaction, but also drives higher sales for businesses. Similarly, chatbots powered by AI provide instant customer support, resolving queries, and improving the overall shopping experience. Third one, support for small businesses. Small businesses can now compete on a global scale by leveraging AI-driven marketing and customer engagement tools. AI helps entrepreneurs target the right audience, optimize ad campaigns, and track performance in real time. Tools like Shopify's AI assistant enable businesses to create personalized marketing strategies without needing a large team or budget. With AI, even small businesses can build loyal customer bases and achieve sustainable growth. Segment number 3, AI in business. First one, broader applications. AI is reshaping industries from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and education. In healthcare, AI is used for diagnosing diseases and predicting treatment outcomes. In finance, it helps detect fraud and manage investments. Manufacturing benefits from AI-powered automation, which reduces errors and increases efficiency. Similarly, educational institutions use AI for personalized learning, helping students achieve their full potential. Second one, key tools and techniques. Automation in tasks like data entry, customer service chatbots, and predictive analytics helps businesses save time and reduce errors. Predictive analytics, for instance, allows companies to anticipate market trends and make data-driven decisions. AI-powered tools like CRM software enhance customer relationship management by analyzing interactions and suggesting ways to improve engagement. This not only increases productivity, but also improves overall customer satisfaction. Third one, boosting creativity. Think about how AI can free you from repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creativity and strategy. For example, marketers can use AI to generate content ideas, while designers can experiment with AI tools for creating innovative visuals. By handling routine operations, AI empowers individuals and teams to innovate and bring fresh ideas to the table. It's like having a reliable assistant that works tirelessly behind the scenes. Subscribe to Think AI to discover more innovative ways to transform your business with artificial intelligence. Final thoughts. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It has the potential to revolutionize how we work, shop, and create. At Think AI, we aim to empower you to harness its potential and stay ahead in this rapidly evolving world. The possibilities are endless, and with AI, the future is full of opportunities. Don't miss out on our latest videos. Subscribe now and join the revolution. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.